So when we look at lines 135 to 138 from Cassius here, he says, why man he doth bestride, which means straddle. So why he doth straddle the narrow world like a colossus, and we petty men walk under his huge legs and peep about to find ourselves dishonorable, so lowly graves. So if I'm looking at the literal meaning here, he's describing Caesar, and he's saying that Caesar straddles the world like a giant, and we walk under him, under his huge legs, and peep about to find ourselves dishonorable graves. And we walk under him hiding, and the only thing we find is a lowly grave. So now, is Caesar literally a giant who is straddling the world? No. And are they literally peeping out from under Caesar's feet as he straddles the world and finding lowly graves? No. So I need to figure out the connotation here. So when I think about what this means, if Caesar is a giant, that means he's bigger than them. Again, this goes back to that motif of power. So I would say Caesar holds more power than us. I'm going to write it from the perspective of Cassius here. Holds more power than us, and we have no control over what is going on in Rome. So this really isn't about dying in a lowly grave. It's about dying with the fear of dying without any power in their community or within their government. And to them, that means that they no longer have control, because people that are in control are the ones that are respected, and a lowly grave would be given to somebody like a commoner who does not have power or respect within the government system. So the denotation is Caesar's a giant, but the connotation is that Caesar has more power, and the other tribunes fear that they are losing control.